Hi everyone, welcome to 219th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Kushbu Chetri, Department of Geography 2nd semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salation 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Project Shades India, fabricators of screens, flooring and roofing solutions crafted by So Many. The headlines this week. College conducts first external academic and administrative audit. 3 phases of admissions completed. Walk-in enrollments continue. Classes begin 14 July. Corporate wisdom fuels leadership training for faculty and students. Radio Salation RJ's Green Initiative boosts tourism in Himalayan village. Photo of the week. The news in detail. Siliguri College conducts first external academic and administrative audit. Anuja Bharari, Department of Political Science, 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Sonada and Siliguri successfully conducted its first external academic and administrative audit, marking a significant step towards academic excellence and institutional accountability. The audit was carried out by 2 esteemed external auditors, Dr. Aloysius Edward, Dean Faculty of Commerce and Management, and Dr. D. Joseph Charles Tamilmaran, Associate Professor and Head, School of Management, both from Christu Jayanti College Autonomous, Bangalore. During their visits, the auditors engaged with management and faculty, offering an orientation on the purpose and scope of the audit. The process concluded with an exit meeting where insights and recommendations were shared. The audit was conducted at the Sonada campus on May 27th and at the Siliguri campus on May 28th. Departments prepared comprehensive presentations detailing academic and co-curricular activities undertaken over the past 2 years since the college attained autonomous status in May 2023. Department heads presented the reports in the presence of faculty, while program coordinators meticulously documented the auditors' feedback. The audit reinforced the college's commitment to continuous academic growth and operational efficiency, paving the way for further improvements and institutional practices.
Anuja Bharari reporting. Siliguri 3 phases of admissions completed. Walk-in enrollments continue. Classes begin 14 July. Macrina Indwar Economics Department 4th semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous, Siliguri and Sonada successfully completed 3 phases of admissions during May and June, welcoming students from both within the state and the neighboring states. While the formal admission process has concluded, walk-in enrollments remain open across both Siliguri and Sonada campuses, providing aspiring students with continued opportunities to join the institution. Despite ongoing admissions, classes for the new batch at the Siliguri campus are scheduled to commence on 14th July, setting the stage for another dynamic academic session. Faculty members are actively preparing to engage students with updated curricula, orientation session, and enhanced learning experiences. Meanwhile, the final examination for the last batch under the Choice-Based Credit System (CBCS), affiliated with the University of North Bengal, and the National Education Policy (NEP) batch under the Salesian College Autonomous were successfully completed in June. Both the Siliguri and Sonada campuses witnessed a seamless conclusion to the academic term, ensuring a smooth transition for graduating students. These years, Salesian College continues to strengthen its academic offerings with several new specialized programs introduced to meet the evolving interest of the students.
Macrina Indwar reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salation from Salesian College Autonomous, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri Corporate wisdom fuels leadership training for faculty and students. Muskaan Ekka, Department of Economics, 4th semester reports.
Retired Deputy General Manager of Bharat Petroleum's Mumbai office, Mr. Bharat Bhushan Darnal, conducted an engaging motivational and team-building workshop for students and faculty members of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri on May 31, 2025. Drawing from his extensive 36-year career in corporate leadership as well as training from renowned management institutions, Mr. Darnal has seamlessly transitioned into his post-retirement role as a motivational speaker. His interactive session featured dynamic exercises such as crossing the river, tarp hole, and snake walk, culminating in the powerful lesson of commitment to self. Each activity imparted valuable insights, fostering teamwork, leadership, and self-growth. Participants enjoyed an energetic and enriching experience, gaining principles that will be incorporated into future institutional programs.
Muskaan Ekka reporting. Sonada, Radio Salation RJ's Green Initiative boosts tourism in Himalayan village. RJ Wang Lama reports.
In a commendable display of community-driven environmentalism, Radio Salation, in collaboration with the Rajahatta Explore Group, Annapurna Self-Help Group and Kasturi SHG, marked World Environment Day 2025 with a significant tree plantation drive. The initiative saw a variety of flowering and fruit-bearing trees planted in Rajahatta Upper Sonada. With rural tourism on the rise, local unemployed youth have proactively formed the Rajahatta Explore Group. Operating under the inspiring motto, Build Your Own Village, Promote Your Own Place. The group is dedicated to fostering sustainable tourism. The plantation drive included diverse saplings such as rhododendron, champ, guava, and camellia. The event saw enthusiastic participation from RJ Sameer Chetri, Program Director of Radio Salation 90.8 FM, along with RJs Moses Tamang, Wang Lama, and Garima Lohagan. Members from the Annapurna and Kasturi self-help groups also actively contributed to the Green Initiative. Rajahatta, already recognized as the region's first zero-waste village, continues to set a precedent for eco-conscious tourism practices.
RJ Wang reporting. Photo of the week. Dr. Smita Rai, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri, successfully defended her PhD dissertation in physics on 5th June 2025. Her thesis titled Nano-Confined Water in Electric Field, Structure, Response and Properties marks a significant contribution to the field of condensed matter and nanoscale physics. Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Smita. Your hard work, perseverance, and academic excellence are truly inspiring. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salation. This show was brought to you by Project Shades India, fabricators of screens, flooring and roofing solutions crafted by So Many. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.